Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Degree College, Karimnagar. So today I am going to discuss about the topic is monitoring operating system. So previous class we discussed by the semaphores and the next one the synchronization hardware. So many systems provide hardware support for the critical section code, the critical section problem, and that could be solved easily in a single and the process single processor environment if we could and the disallow interruption. So while the shared with the variable or the resources is being modified. In this manner, we could and be sure the current sequence of the instructions and would be allowed to execute in order without pre-exemption. So unfortunately, this solution is not feasible in a multiprocessor environment. So the disabling interrupt on the multiprocessor environment can be time consuming. So what is multiprocessor environment? So the single processor and the multiprocessor, it is the two systems work can do only one system, dual core to the Intel Pentium 2 dual core. So this type of processors is called multiprocessors and consuming as the message is passed to all the processors. This message and the transmission tag and the delays entry of the threads into critical section and the system and the efficiency and the decreases. So mutex clocks as the synchronization hardware. So what is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of computer is called hardware. Just like we take the examples, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer. So these are the devices is called hardware peripherals, and the solution is not easy to and implement for everyone. A strict and the software approach called the mutex locks was introduced. So in this the approach in the entry, so section code a lock is acquired see over the critical resources modified and used inside the critical section. So and in the exit section that lock is and released as the resources is locked while a process and executes its the critical section, hence no other the process can access it. So uh, today we are going to discuss monitor. So the monitor is one of the way the achieve the process the synchronization. Monitor is the supported by the programming. So each and everyone supported by the program. The user can use the different types of programs, C, C++, just like we take the example C, C++, and the Java programs. So the language to achieve the mutual execution between the process, is in the collection of the condition variables and the procedures combined together in a special kind of modules or the package. The process running outside the monitor cannot access the internal and the variable of the monitor, but can call procedure of the monitor, and only one process at a time can execute the code inside monitors. So syntax of monitors, we take the two operations on the condition variables of monitor. So that is the number one is wait and the number two is the signal. So what is wait? A process performing and the wait operation on any condition variables is the suspended process. So wait, number one is the wait, the process performing the wait is the operation on any condition variables, suspended the suspended process and placed block queue of the condition variables. Signal, so what is signal? When the process performs the signal operation on a condition variable, so one blocked process is given chance. So what is the syntax? The syntax of the monitor. So monitor demo and the name of the monitor, open brace and the variables, the condition variables and the procedure P1, and next one we take the procedure P2 and the close brace syntax of monitor. This is called syntax of monitor. So just we see the operating system, the diagrams, which operating system, which the peripherals, how type use. So we discussed monitor with the condition and the variables. Here see that this diagram shows the q and associated with the x comma y condition and the entry q and the operations and the initialized code. So here the shared data. So the shared data means data is the information of student or employee. Just we take the one example: student name, student hall ticket number, student marks, and the employee name, employee ID, employee address. So these type of shared data and the queues associated with the x comma y conditions. So and the queue, entry queue, this is the operations are there. The queue is the one by one. So first program first executed, second program go to first place, that is the executed by first program, completion of the executed, the second program will be go and so executed by the second place. So this is the operations and the initialization of code and the operating system. So what is operating system? Application, monitor, and the disk drive. So mainly the operating system, it is the each and every one useful for the each and every device. So the operating system supported with the all applications. So the applications are working with very easily. So the without operating system, the applications are not working. Just for we take the one example, the applications are different types are there. So in this applications, in this applications, the system software and the software is the two sides, that is the system software and the application software. The system software is system running programs, so Windows 98 2000, and application softwares are used for the user. So the application softwares are mainly it is a user to this is that is user defined. So it is a very advantage to we take the see applications, that is the MS Office application and the database management system. These type of applications, or the user can use the different types of application. That is the biodata form is there, that is called one of the application. So he prepared the online and the offline, the applications prepared by the user, and the operating system supported with the different types of applications. So and the monitor, that is the output device. So it is the monitor is the device. It is we show the total input entered, the data will be, and the show on the output devices, that is called monitor. And the disk drive. So what is the disk drive? The compact disk, CD drive, that is the disk drive, and the compact disk. So and the next mouse. So available for the optical mouse, and the ball mouse, that is the nowadays we are using the optical mouse. And the keyboard is available for the 105 or 106 keys are there. So and the another one is the multimedia keyboard available there. So this is the advantage of the multimedia keyboard. We directly and the increase the sound and decrease the sound and pass the sound and run the sound. So this type of options available for the uh, the this type of applications, all applications are available uh, in this system, the keyboard. So multimedia keyboard available this type of systems. And the operating system is supported with the printers also, and these are the applications, and the disk drive, mouse, and the monitor, keyboard, printer. So these devices are working with the system's operating system used to, and all are so work with the supported drives are there in this operating system. We installed the printer drives. The printer available in the market, dot matrix printer, laser jet printer, and the color printer. These are the types of printers are there. Just we inserted the any type of printer, and the drivers also installed. So automatically it is the used to run the applications. So the printer is it drives the printer drivers installed in the computer. So automatically we give to the print, automatically the printout will be come out on the page. So this type of printer drivers and available in the internet, and it is available in the new printer and combined with the CD. So we install the first CD drivers of the printer drivers. So after we take the printouts, so that is the one of the printer driver, and it is supported with the operating system, each and every one supported with the operating system. So the keyboard, mouse, the drivers also installed first. So after the operating system will be work, and the monitor drivers and the disk drivers and the all applications. So Windows 98 multiple operating system, the Unix, Linux, these are the different types of multi-user operating systems also supported to the operating system. And the operating system disk drives, the monitor, keyboard. So what is the operating system disk drives? Here see the operating system disk drives. So the previous slide we see the disk drives. So the monitor, keyboard, the in this same applications are there, the applications and the disk drives, monitors and the mouse, the peripherals. Here the disk drives are this slide is 100% and the editable, and the adapt it to and the your needs and the capture and the your audience and the attention. So this slide is the 100% and the editable, the adopt it to and the your needs and the capture your and the audience and the attention. So here the monitor, this slide is the 100% and the editable, and the edit the your need to and the capture and the audience of attention. So these different types of the applications, the devices are supported with the computer operating system. And this slide, the diagram is there. Operating system, computer system, the sum of the OS, the operating system program exists the permanently in the system area of the memory to monitor and control activities in the computer system. So system area, the kernel and the transistence area and the user area, user program. Here see that the other programs exists on a the disk and or the and the loaded in the transistors area when the needed. So and the kernel is the it is the user and the system area. That is just like bridge. This kernel is called just like bridge between user and the operating system, the transistor area. So the other programs exists in the disk loaded in the transistor area when they are needed. So the kernel is the supported to the exist the different types of programs, and the remainder of the memory is occupied by user and the programs. So monitoring the data center environment. So this is called user program, user area. So that is the storage area, that is the user can and store the different types of programs in this place. So the kernel is the user to the sum of the exist the program run area. So program run and output will be execute on the screen. So this is the system area, this is the user area. They monitor the data and the center environment. Here the monitoring must be extended to the complete server and environment. The monitoring of the performance and the health and the configuration, the centralized monitoring and the across the server operating system and the virtual servers, and the require the same level of the management at the physical. So monitoring must be extended to the complete server environment. So what is the server? The server is supported with the different types of clients, the more than two systems, that is called the clients. Think clients is the server, and the number of systems are there, that is the clients are there, client 1, client 2, client 3. So this is the number of systems, 10 or 15 systems are there. This is the monitoring of the performance, the health and the configuration, and the centralized monitoring across the server operating system and the virtual server require the same level of the management as a physical. So this is the monitoring must be extend the complete the server environment. So that is the called server high configuration system. The configuration is the monitor is the monitor and the system CPU, central processing unit, the motherboard and the processor and the hard disk. The storage area is high, and the monitor. These are the different types of devices. Total devices are the very high configuration. The server system, the client system is the very low comparing with the server system, and the application side service level of the requirements are the increasing. So the data enter the applications are the often missions critical. So the overall performance driven by the multiple components often the spend access the platform and the hardware. So here already discussed by the hardware definition. The physical component of computer is called hardware. So in the multiple and environments and the monitoring tools, here the monitoring data must be and shared across tools for the consolidated view of the performance, the complex and the uh, heterogeneous data and center environment to the monitor. So here see the observer the three. This is the application server level requirements. The monitor must be extended the computer server environment and the multi environment and the monitoring tools. So the monitoring of the data is the information of the each and every one, that is called data, and the must be shared the across the tools and the consolidated view of the performance. The complex and the heterogeneous data the center the environment to the monitor. Here see that the next slide. In this slide we see observe the devices are there. The application means here apps and different types of applications. So apps means different types of, just we call in the mobile apps is the applications in the system. The folders and slides, there are some different types of apps in the installed in the system also. And this is this device is the printer. So laserjet printer and the hard disk. So this is called hard disk. This is the CPU inside of the hard disk is there. 500 GB, 1 TB. This type of hard disk is available in the market, and the keyboard. So 105 or 106 keyboards are available. Keys are available, and the multimedia keyboard. Additionally, the 567 keys are available in the keyboard, multimedia keyboard, and the mouse. This is called optical mouse. So these are the different types of devices supported with the operating system. So without the operating system, these devices are not working. So it is a must. It is the installed in the computer by the operating system. Here see that this slide is the diagram. So here pursuit sensor and the sensor AMP. So user interface and the touch buttons. So nowadays is available for the touch monitor also, just like just like we call, just like it is a mobile, and the patent monitor and the auto alert. So here USB and the wired network and the wireless network. So both networks are available. So what is the network? Network is the, it is a connection between the one system to another system, that is called network. In this available for the different types. So wired network and the wireless network, the power management and the monitor control, the signal conditioning and the switching module, and the red and the interfaced LEDs and the photo diode and the signal conditioning. So here M-touch sensing and the USB control and the LCD and the PWM and the the oscillator and the timer ADC. So these are the pleasure sensor and the sensor AMP. So these are the different types of apps and the applications are there. And here we see the finger clamp and the ECG leads and the, so this is the totally, it is a user interface. So this is the operating system is the called, it is user system and user interface is called the operating system. These are the different types of alert button and the power source. So and the patent monitor. Here we see the, so in this one screen two screens are there. The zoom, in this zoom 2 or 3 applications are available there. So in this only one monitor, in this monitor two screens. So we divided by the two screens. So this type of screens available in the zoom application, zoom app. So in this zoom app we discussed by one person to another person at a time. So that type of the at a time we video conference to more than 100 members also we video conference conducted by the in this system. and this we can download this Zoom app, and in this mobile also available for the this type of app. We download the Zoom app and we conduct the Zoom meeting, and the online classes also conducted. So how to download the in this mobile, the download the first Zoom app, and the system also download the Google search. In this search we search the Zoom and automatically downloaded by the Zoom app, and we give the link to the students and the meeting members. So we conducted by the meeting and we conducted by the classes very easily. So totally we see the one person to another person directly. So that is the video conference. Just like video conference, the Zoom meeting is available for the mobiles also. So this is the very advanced features. They supported with the uh, total the operating systems. So Windows 98, 2000, XP. So the operating systems and the mobile applications, mobile operating system also supported by the Zoom app. So here see that the laptop is there. In this laptop, just we and this is the applications and the search for the information, websites search the information. Just like we touch the screen, the apps are working. Just like we use the mobile, in this mobile Zoom and so Zoom, and we search the information and type the search engine automatically display on the screen. So in this the screen is the touch screen. So this is the laptop, and the mobile's features also inserted by this laptop. The laptop is the very easily operating by the operator and the user. So search for the information and search for the total documentation and search for the information. So this type of applications are also downloaded in the app, and easily used to this is the operating system is very easy. So the keyboard and the mouse is the that is a comparing with the advanced feature. This is the touch screen. So easily search for the information, and we easily we type the some information and some downloaded apps and whatever it may be. So that is the very easy and the time save. So we touch screen monitor is the very advanced feature. This is the personal computer, and the colorful and the infographic slides. So here the four slides are there. In each and every slide is the diagrams are there, graphs. So this is the advanced feature graphs. So four diagrams at a time we see the in this monitor. So one screen, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. So this type of four screens are see the at a time. So this is a very advanced feature. And the resident monitor. So user and the reserved time on the machine and the hour scale, if not done, and when time up to and the bad, try again, and the latter, and the useful to have a user interface and the RM to allow you to. So here the resident monitor. So the resident monitor, the user reserved time on the machine hour scale. So that is a it is a scale. Hour scale means used time of the machine. So if not done when the time up to bad, so try to again later. So and the and the useful to and have to user and the interface and the RM to allow you to and the read the program and data in the from card reader and the tape drive, etc. So run the program and print results. So also had the utility programs and the compiler and the linker and the loader editor. Also had the libraries sets of the convenient the processor reused often. So math functions and the print forming and the input output access. The monitor demo. So name of the monitor and the variables, the condition variables, the processor P1 and the processor P2, and the syntax of monitor. So this is the already we discussed by the monitor printout syntax. So monitor demo, name of the monitor and the variables, the condition variables, processor 1 2. This is the syntax of the monitor. And the two operations on the conditions. So what are the two operations? Wait. First one is the monitor wait. So the process performing wait operation any condition variables to and the suspended process or the placed in the block queue of the condition variables. So wait for some time, that is the indication of the two operations on the condition variables of the monitor. And the next, the signal, when the process performs signal operation on a condition variables, one of the blocked process is given chance. So this is the signal. And the next one is the problem. An OSS, the operating system's main task is to the control access to the machine's resources, the data, device, time, space. The resource are and not tightly the controlled chose will be ensured. So the race condition. The problem is the operating system main task to the control the access to the machines, and the resource data means organized collection of related information, device, time, and the space. And the solution, so the monitors provide the control by the allowing the only the process to access critical the resource at a time. So this is the monitor is the permission to allow the some only for the process of the access critical resource at a time. So a class and a module, the package, the contents of the procedures and data, the information. And abstract monitors, so here see name and monitor, some local declarations and the initialize local data, and the procedure name and the arguments, and the do some work and the other procedures. The monitor rules, any process can access any monitor. The monitor rules and regulations are there. They follow the instructions to the monitor work, and any processes can access any monitor in the procedure of at any time. So any process can access any monitor in the procedure at any time. So different types times it is the access. The only one process may be enter a monitor and the procedure. No process may be and the directly access a monitors and the local variables. And the monitor may be only the access it's the local variables. This is the monitor rules and regulations. And things need to and enforce the monitor. So wait operation, the forces of the running process to sleep. So wait operations, the forces running for the process to sleep, and the signal operation and the wake up the sleeping process. A condition something to store who's the waiting for the particular reasons the implemented as a queue. So queue means it is the programs are executed by the one program completion of the second program is executed. So that process is called the process is called queue. So number of programs can executed one by one. So one process is completed and exit the first program. The second program will be start the execution and the complete of the second program. The third program will be ready to waiting for some time, and the second program is completed the process. That third program will be run on the screen. And the running examples, Emerson's kitchen. Here the kitchen is the monitor, and occupied the boolean occupied false, and the non non occupied the conditions. Here the declaration signed initialization procedure enter kitchen, and the if occupied, then occupied wait, and the occupied true. Here procedure, the procedure is the exit kitchen, and the occupied false, the non occupied signals. This is the procedure. And the multiple conditions. So what is the multiple conditions? Sometimes desirable to be able to the wait on and the multiple things, and can be implemented with the multiple conditions. The example, two reasons to enter kitchen, and the cook remove clean and the dishes, or the clean add the clean dishes. So the two reasons to enter the kitchen, cook and remove the clean dishes, and to clean add the clean dishes. So this is arranged by the dishes. And the two reasons to wait, and the going to cook, and the but no clean dishes. So going to clean and the no entry dishes. So this is the best example for the multiple conditions. So Emerson's kitchen. Here just we see the kitchen monitor and the clean discs and the dirty dishes, and the condition, the dishes is sink and stank stack dishes to stack of the 10 dishes, and the sink stack of the 0 dishes. The producers cook if the dishes is empty, and then clean the dishes, wait, so sink push and the dishes pop, so the dirty dishes of signal, so producer to clean and the dish if sink is empty, and then the dirty dishes and the wait, so the dishes push to and the sink pop and the clean dishes signal. So this is the kitchen monitor, Emerson's kitchen. And the conditions queue means one program executed after second program executed, that is the condition is queue, and the checking of the any process, the waiting on the condition queue remains true of the process, and the waiting for on condition, example doing dishes only if the someone is the waiting for them. And the Emerson's kitchen, the kitchen monitor, clean dishes is the dirty dishes condition, so this is just like a previous slide is same. And the scheduled weights, so gives the weighting the thread a number, and the lowest numbers get the woken up first, and the inverse the priority, the example people who want to cook are the priorities, so highest me and the medium family, and the lowest the variance friends. And the summary, so the advantages, data access, synchronization simplified, uh, and the semaphores to or logs, so this is the synchronized the data access, and the disadvantages, and the deadlock still possible in the monitor code, so and the programmer can be still touch the monitors, and the no provision for the information exchange between the machines. So this is a very more disadvantages are there, and the very few advantages are there. The other discussed, so the power of monitor, and the semaphores monitor, and the monitor semaphores, and the proof rules here. 1b wait, and b, and 1b is the b signal, and the operating system examples, the bounded buffer, and the alarm clock, the buffer allocation, and the disk head schedule, and the read write, the other issues of the discussed. And the mutual exclusion of the implementation, the displaying of the interrupts, and the mutex of the interrupts, the monitors in the context in the multi-threaded code, and the could be the implemented with the monitors, and the language supported, so the multi-threaded code be implemented with the different types of monitors, is supported by the language support. The computer cannot understand the English language, it can understand the only bit bytes language, so 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, so kilobytes, megabytes, terabytes. So this is the implemented by the storage areas. Just like we take the one example of hard disk, 500 GB hard disk. In this 500 GB hard disk, we divided by the system operating system installation time. We partition the 500 GB hard disk, because the operating system is the inserted in the automatically saved by the C drive, and we prepared by the D drive, E drive, and the F drive. These are the four drives are the empty drives. So the 500 GB hard disk we divided into the 100 GB, 100 GB, C drive 100 GB, D drive 100 GB, and FDF. These are the drives are taken by the 100 GB, 100 GB. So we store the information in the different types of drives. One drive is the personal, and the second drive is the C drive is the stored by the operating system, and the D drive is the used for the personal operating system, personal user, and next one is the we store the some the movies and songs, and we store the softwares in the another drive. So more drives are there, different types of drives we can store the some information. This is the objects, and the enforcement of the mutex locking, the conventions, the abstractions, and the deadlocks can be avoided, but of course, and the only if the monitor is the written correctly, so the monitoring context. And the next one is the conclusion. The monitors are a synchronization and the mechanism, a higher level the easier to use and the abstractions better and the encapsulations versus the semaphorous locks, and the monitor still suffer from the various uh, affiliations. And the references, the monitor and the operating system structures concept, the who are and the modern operating system second edition, the uh, so and we discussed the next. So and once again we just repeated by the monitor definition. The monitor is the one of the way to the achieve process and the synchronization. The monitor is the supported by the programming. So which type of supported, just like with the language to achieve the mutual execution between the processes, if is the collection of the conditions, the variables and the procedures and the combined together in a special kind of module or a and the package, the process running outside the monitor and cannot be accessed the internal variable of the monitor, but can also all the procedures of the monitor. Only one process at a time can execute the code inside the monitor. So this process is called monitor, and this is the already the syntax is there, the monitor demo and the name of the monitor, open brace and the variables, condition variables, and the procedures p1 and the procedure p2. So and the close brace and the syntax, this is called the syntax monitor. So two operations are condition variables. What are they? They are the wait and signal. So the wait is the process performing wait operation on a any condition, and variable suspend and suspended the processes or the placed in the block queue of the condition variables, and the signal when the process performs the signal, the operation on the condition variables on the blocked process is given chance. So just a small topic is there, that is the critical reason. So what is the critical reason? The critical reason is the concurrent and the programming. The concurrent access of the shared the resources can be led by the expected or the erroneous behavior. So parts of the program and the where the shared resource is accessed or the protected, this and the protected section is the critical reason. So this is called critical reason. So just to see the definition of the semaphorous. The semaphorous is the integer type. So variable. So integer type variable. The semaphorous access the only through the two standard atomic the operations and the wait and signal. The wait is the operation were the original termed p, and the signal was the original called v. So wait and the operation, the decrement the values of its the arguments as soon as it is the would become a non negative and greater than or the equal one. The signal operation and the increments the values of the arguments s as there is a no more the processor blocked on the queue. The process of the semaphore is, so it is the simple and the always has the non-negative integer values and works with the many process. So more processes can work and can have the many different critical sections and with the different semaphores, and each critical section has the unique access semaphores. So and the next the can permit the multiple process into the critical section once it is the desired. So the types of semaphores, binary semaphores and the binary semaphores is a actually just we call the integer type, and the same this is the access to the only through two standard atomic the operations. So wait and the signal, the counting of the semaphores and the counting semaphores is called used to implement the bounded concurrency, and the counting of the semaphores can be the implemented using binary semaphores and the limitations of the semaphores. So what is the limitations? Deadlock, the implementation of the uh, semaphores with a the waiting queue, and the maybe result the situation and the many results situations where the two or more process are the waiting in the uh, indefinitely for the event in the question is the execution of the signal. So the operations when the such state is the reached, these processes are the set to a b and the deadlocks. So in the next one, the question, so what is the essential implementation of the difference between the monitor and the semaphore is? So the monitor and the one of the way to the achieve the process synchronization, and the semaphore is the an integer type variable. Semaphore is accessed the through two standards automatic, the wait and signal. And the what is the problems can be still arise the use of monitors. So some of the different types of problems are raised, and generally monitors allow the encapsulate mutex use the different types of, these are the questions are there. And the passable awareness, so atomicity of the blocked code and the retentions in the monitors and the deadlock in inconsistent use, example occur without release, and the mutual execution in monitor methods, and when we need to, and the main uninterrupted access to or more resources location and the different monitors. So this topic is taken by final year MPCS 5th semester. So and we discussed it today the operating system diagrams and the monitor definition and the types of use of the monitor and the syntax of the monitor. So thank you students.